Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT-based military robot with video surveillance. In this project, we are using charging circuit. So here we can see step-down transformer and rectifier and 12 volt 2 amp battery, Raspberry Pi 0W and 8293D buck converter and camera, and also using VO motors for the four wheels, 4 motors. So here we can see the charging circuit. So we are giving the charging circuit through this step-down transformer. So we are providing the power supply through this 230 volts of power supply. That 230 volts of power supply will be given to this step-down transformer. Then step-down transformer step down up to 909, which means 9 volts it will be step down. So that will be given to this rectifier input. Then rectifier output. So we can say rectifier will convert AC current into DC current. That current will be given to this DC battery. So it will convert to DC. That converted DC will be 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this battery. So now we can see. So we can see the light indication over here, which means this battery gets charging. So we need to charge this battery maximum 5 to 6 hours. Then only it will works good. So after the charge, we can remove this one. So here we can see the battery pack. Each battery have a 4 volts 1 amp capacity. So if we add the batteries in a series, so 4 is equals to 12 with 1 amp rating. So if we add the batteries in a parallel, then it will become a 12, voltage will be not added and the current will be added. Now it will become a 12 volt with a 2 amp capacity. So here we can see the switch. Through switch we are giving the power supply to the buck converter through buck. So we can see buck converter input is 12. From input side we can taking the input again 12 volts. The 12 volts will be given to this 8293D. So 8293D works on 12 volts of power supply. So through 12 volts power supply this motors will be driven, and we can see we have already given the 12 volts power supply to the LM2596 buck converter. So it takes 12 volt input and will step down up to 5 volts of power supply. That 5 volts of power supply will be utilized by this Raspberry Pi. So this Raspberry Pi takes the 5 volts from the buck converter, and also it will give the signals to the motor driver. So we can see here the motor driver. So first if we on the switch, so we need to go for the horsepower settings. So we can see here. So these are the horsepower settings. So provide 6585 and password should be 129, and it will be connect within a time delay. So we can see connected one device. So we can see here Raspberry Pi. So we need to identify that IP address of this Raspberry Pi Wi-Fi. For that one we need to go for the network analyzer app. So it is also available in Play Store. So the home interface like this. So we need to go for 3 lines and have to choose LAN scan. LAN scan means local area network scan. So before the scan, make sure that your Wi-Fi should be off position. So we can see Raspberry Pi. So we need to go for this IP address. We need to copy this one. Now we will move to the Chrome. In a Chrome we need to copy the IP address here and have to add a colon 5000 and enter. So we can see the camera live stream, and also we can see the arrow buttons for the movement. So these were the forward and stop, backward stop, left stop, right stop. So this red button is for the only stop indicator. It will stop the robot. So these commands will be given to the Raspberry Pi Wi-Fi. Through Wi-Fi it will take the commands. That commands will be given to this 8293D. Now we will show in a floor. So now we can see again live stream. for start. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.